Hello guys, and today, as you can see, we are in Rec Room. I'm going to be mostly remodeling my upstairs and maybe a little bit of my downstairs. I already got my bedroom set up in Rec Room, so like the video, and if we get from anywhere between 4 and 10 likes, I may or may not do another Rec Room video showing you guys some of the other rooms that I've created. So, yeah.
Like the leaves riding on the autumn breeze, like the days gone too far for us to see. It's like walking through the sky where the stars come and go. It's the light within my reach, not as distant as it seemed. Dreams are moments, night is long, yet we linger in the past. Tell me, do you feel the same? I can take you far, far away, far enough for us to disappear. Should you feel a little scared, know that I'm still right here. It will be a little bittersweet, it might even feel a bit surreal. Just see the stars run past you as you drift apart in the air. Like the leaves riding on the autumn breeze, like the days gone too far for us to see. We move on and live it as it is, but once in a while, let the reminiscence brighten this melody. Like the leaves riding on the autumn breeze, like the days gone too far for us to seize. Like the leaves riding on the autumn breeze, like the days gone too far for us to seize. I can take you far, far away, far enough for us to disappear. Should you feel a little scared, know that I'm still right here. It will be a little bittersweet, it might even feel a bit surreal. Just see the stars run past you as you drift apart in the air. Like the leaves riding on the autumn breeze, like the days gone too far for us to seize. We move on and live it as it is, but once in a while, let the reminiscence brighten this melody. Like the leaves riding on the autumn breeze, like the leaves riding on the autumn breeze, like the days gone too far for us to seize. It's like walking through the sky where the stars come and go. It's the light within my reach, not as as distant as it seemed. Dreams are moments, night is long, yet we linger in the past. Tell me, do you feel the same? I can take you far, far away, far enough for us to disappear. Should you feel a little scared, know that I'm still right here. It will be a little bittersweet, it might even feel a bit surreal. Just see the stars run past you as you drift apart in the air. Like the leaves riding on the autumn breeze, like the days gone too far for us to seize. We move on and live it as it is, but once in a while, let the reminiscence brighten this melody. Leaves riding on the autumn breeze, like the days gone too far for us to seize. Like the leaves riding on the autumn breeze, like the days gone too far for us to seize. I can take you far, far away, far enough for us to disappear. Should you feel a little scared, know that I'm still right here. It will be a little bittersweet, it might even feel a bit surreal. Just see the stars run past you as you drift apart in the air. Like the leaves riding on the autumn breeze, like the days gone too far for us to seize. We move on and live it as it is, but once in a while, let the reminiscence brighten this melody. Like the leaves riding on the autumn breeze.
Hello, and I finally finished. So I'm gonna give you guys a tour. Yay! First we have this like beautiful poster thing. Yeah, that's cool. We also have this Minecraft poster and event that you sadly cannot go through. Yeah, that's very sad. I blocked off the bed thing that was originally there because I didn't want it there. Also upstairs. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you guys the bedroom that I made because you guys only really saw the computer part that's like right over here, which was sad when I put in the Funko Pops. Oh yeah, you can pick that up. I need to freeze that later. I'll just do that off camera. We have my little Arctic fox pet thing, yeah, from Minecraft, because yeah, and we also have a pet bed for him, and we also have my bed and a security outfit. Yes, this is a Minecraft door. Yeah, we have the Marionette / puppet and Hero Brian, but stone. We also have Dream, statue of Dream, and these FNAF statues. I don't know if I'm gonna keep them or not, but yeah, I might just take them out off camera. I don't know. Let's see. We also have this neon set that I got a while ago that I still kept, because why not? Also, we have this, another picture thing and another computer besides the laptop upstairs. Let's see. We also have this thing that I, put downstairs. Yeah. What else do we have? Oh, yeah, we have, I put in another Minecraft thing, a Minecraft doggo, because why not? And we have exotic butters, and we also have plushies that are over there, and, yeah, and a chest. Yes. Yeah, so I moved the chest from under the desk thing that used to be over there. I moved that to right next to it because, you know, we kind of got rid of that. So, yeah. It seems really empty over there. And yeah, we're probably gonna add something to over there because maybe like off camera. Why am I saying we? I'm probably gonna add that. Okay, yeah. I think that's it for the video, maybe. Yeah. I think that's pretty much it. Oh, yeah, I also have this help wanted photo thing. Probably gonna add photos there. Yeah, so that is it. See you guys next time, and I'm going to be posting a lot less because of school reasons, so yeah.